This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick morning cleanup. I'm just going to fix breakfast for my family, and then once we're done with breakfast, I'm going to go ahead and get the kitchen back together. Now let's go ahead and get started. So I started the morning out by fixing breakfast. I'm not cooking anything fancy. Y'all have seen me fix this before. We're having sausage, grits, and biscuits. My family loves grits, and my husband could probably eat them every day if he let him.
At sundown, come down, think about where we are. It's a long way up to everything that we want. But if we take a moment to get closer to the things we love, it's not a long way to the spot where we already are. Stay here under the palm trees. Oh, won't you lay here with me? Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with you. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked.
Okay, so now that everything is done, we've gotten the biscuits in the oven. My husband is going to get started on the dishes.
And our kingdom kings fall dropping like little flies. There's a price to pay to get enough things we want. But if we take a moment to get closer to the things we need, we wouldn't need that looking at the things we have. Stay here under the palm trees. Won't you lay here with me?
If you're new here, welcome and thank you for stopping by. I would love for you to leave a comment down below to say hi and introduce yourself. I'm Tiffany. I'm a wife and mother of 2, and I love to create cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. If that's something you enjoy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that bell before you go. I would love for you to join my YouTube family.
There's no plan for the wicked. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There's no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with ya, with ya. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with ya, to be with ya. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with ya. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with ya. You don't feel like wasted time. You don't talk like it's a lie. I might be falling for you. I hate to say it, but it's true. You don't scare so easily.
So Chris and Cameron weren't ready to get up and eat yet, and I wasn't hungry, but I just sat and talked with Leroy while he was eating and spent a little time with him because he would be leaving for work soon.
To say it, but it's true. If you say what you want from me, if you say what you want from me, yeah, I give all that I can to please. I give all that I can to
So y'all, we were just sitting there talking about how our anniversary just kind of snuck up on us. It's the 1st of August, and y'all, we will be celebrating 17 years of marriage.
So let me be honest. Yeah, I want you always. Yeah. My heart's got a feeling. It's got a feeling like how it's beating. So let me be honest.
So I have gathered up the rugs, and I'm going to go ahead and get them in the washer. And once I'm done with that, we are going to get this kitchen clean. So now I'm going to wipe down the stove and countertops and the kitchen table, and I'm using an Arm & Hammer microfiber cloth and the Home & Planet multi-purpose spray.
You say it's special. One of a kind, one of the better boys.
So while I was out shopping this weekend, I picked up a few small items for my kitchen, and I got this little plant from Marshall's for $7.99.
I've been too hurt before, you're not that special. Just give it up, I think
and I got this little plant here, and it was $6.99. I just wanted to change up the area around my sink a little bit. I also got those mason jar soap dispensers. They were $4.99 each. And well, the tray I actually didn't pick up that weekend. I got it. I got that like a couple of weeks ago. And I got lucky and found another dusting mitt at Ross for $2.49. And I got another e-cloth for my kitchen from TJ Maxx, and it was $4.99.
Tell so deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends, I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do, guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriends.
And now I'm getting ready to mop, and these are the products I'll be using.
walk, the way you talk, the way you wear your hair. Change the way you dress, the way you kiss, everything, 'cause you are scared that I might leave you. Well, why should I leave you? Baby, please don't talk to me that way. Don't talk to me that way. 'Cause I think you're perfect for me, just the way you are. And I don't ever want to leave you. Baby, don't you talk to me that way. And I'm sorry if I sound a little harsh, but I don't know how to get through to you. Because you don't.
Okay, y'all, that's all for today. I hope that I was able to give you some cleaning motivation, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell if you haven't already. And don't forget that you can follow me on Instagram at TiffanyMichelle76. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.